wood shop today. Every woodworker likes free wood, and we just happened to come by some old wooden pallets here, and we're going to cut those up today.
We do have a project in mind for this first pallet, so be on the lookout for that. But it's also great to break down these pallets just to have some wood ready on hand for any project you may come up with. So we're going to break this down and show you how to do it.
Now, I've seen people pry these apart. I've seen them take a reciprocating saw and cut the nails. But I'm just going to take the old trusty circular saw here, just go down the side of each one of these boards, cut them loose, and just leave the nails behind.
Sourcing wood through pallets is a great economical way to have plenty of wood for your workshop. We just finished breaking down 3 different pallets.
We got 3 different types of wood too. We got plenty of pine here. Some of it's rough sawn on both sides, and some's actually planed on one side and rough on the other. This is actually pine too, it's just more weathered. This was an older pallet. And this is oak. You got some nice oak right here. It's a little bit cupped, but with some planing it would do really nice. It's all rough sawn. And last but not least is poplar. We got 4 little sections of poplar off one of the pallets too.
It's my favorite.
It's really popular with us.
Be sure to stay tuned to this YouTube channel, Woodsongs by Russell, with our Reclaimed Wood series, because we're going to be using this in future videos.
Don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up.
Thanks again for joining us. Happy woodworking!